This is lesson number 3, looking at data storage. We're going to continue to think about binary, why it's used and how it is used for numbers. Remember our keyword rule. One of the keywords is bases. What is our number system base? Hopefully you should have said 10. What is the binary number space? That is 2. Which word on here is another word for a bit? Hopefully you spotted binary digits. Today you should be handing your homework in. Very quickly, let's have a quick recap about what we've learnt so far. Binary numbers can be made of only 2 options, a 0 or 1. This means it is base 2. Whereas denary is base 10. That's because there are 10 options, 0 to 9, and any number can be made with that. The same way in binary, any number can be made with a 0 or a 1. Let's think about the exam now. You're going to have to be able to convert binary numbers. In your exam, you're going to be expected to convert denary to binary and back again. So between these 2 values. You've now got a mini whiteboard task. Please find this page in your workbook. I'm going to give you 1 minute on each one, and what I want you to do is to try and write the sequence. So first of all, write the sequence in the black boxes. What's the binary sequence? Pause the video and complete that section. Hopefully you've come up with this. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 or 128. Pause the video and try and convert 234 into binary. Next question. 42 into binary. See if you can do that. Let's do this one together. Now 42 doesn't go into 128, so that's 0. 64 is a 0. 32 is a 1. Now we've got 10 left. 42 minus 32 is 10. So we're going to put a 0 on 8, a 0 on 16 rather, a 1 on 8. So 10 minus 8, you might want to write 10 down to remind yourself, is 2. So we're going to end up like that. 175 into binary. Please pause the video and try and do this now. So first of all, we know that 128 does go into 175, so we're going to put a 1 just there. Now, just to help me, I'm going to do 175 minus 128, and that is equal to 47. So we're going to try and calculate the rest to 47. Now, 47 doesn't fit into 64, so we're going to put a 0 there. We are going to have a 32. So now we've got 15, it doesn't fit into there. Now I know that 15 is all of these as 1, because 16 would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that means 15 has to be the rest of these as 1s. Now you've got some exam questions to do next. You need to go into Google Classroom, find the exam questions and try to complete these conversions. The answers are at the end of the exam questions, so please go through them and mark your work. In class we had a mini lights challenge. You probably won't be able to do this if you're not in class, so you can skip this slide.